What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, Me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure.
Booking a cruise can often be a daunting and confusing task. With so many options and details to consider, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where you, me, and the Sea Travels can help. Here are 10 compelling reasons why you should book your next cruise with us. Number 1. Expertise and knowledge. As travel advisors, we possess extensive knowledge about cruises and can guide you through the entire booking process. Number 2. Personalized service. We take the time to understand your preferences and tailor the perfect cruise itinerary for you. Number 3. Extensive selection. With access to a wide range of cruise lines, we offer numerous options to suit every taste and budget. Number 4. Unbeatable deals. Our strong relationships with cruise providers enable us to secure exclusive discounts and promotions for our clients. Number 5. Simplified planning. We can help with all the logistics, from suggesting flights and transfers to coordinating shore excursions, ensuring a stress-free experience. Number 6. Insider tips. We share valuable insider tips about each destination, highlighting must-see attractions and hidden gems. Number 7. Customer satisfaction. Our priority is your satisfaction, and we go the extra mile to ensure your cruise exceeds your expectations. Number 8. 24/7 support. We provide round-the-clock support, so you can reach out to us anytime before your journey. Number 9. Exclusive amenities. We provide a range of exclusive amenities, including onboard credits, spa treatments, and dining reservations, to enhance your cruise experience. Number 10. Peace of mind. Booking with us ensures that you have a trusted partner by your side, taking care of all the details, so you can relax and enjoy your vacation. Don't let the complexity of booking a cruise discourage you. Choose you, me, and the Sea Travels as your partner, and let us create the perfect cruise experience for you. To hear about current deals from the cruise lines, or book your next cruise, email Jeff or Pam at youmeandtheseatravels@yahoo.com.